Hello guys, we have a very good tutorial to change the appearance of the desktop to this minimal and beautiful model. We will go to training without delay. Search for Rainmeter in the browser and click on the first option in the results found and download this. And again we search for theme and click on the first result. And in this site you have to search for white neon 2 and click on the download button. Now you have to search for visual skins and open the first result and click on Mon item and download. For the last search, you should search wallpaper flare and choose and download a high quality image to your liking. I chose this minimal image for this tutorial. Now you have to extract the zip file from the download folder, install the Rainmeter program, then install white neon skin from this folder. Disable extras widgets like media player either this way or click the unload option. And then install the Mon shell. Select the image you have downloaded and click on Set as Background option. Click on this arrow next to the clock and open the Rainmeter program, and from the white neon 2 section click on Docs and then On. And then click on the Load button. Right-click on the desktop and then uncheck the Show Desktop Icons option from the View submenu to hide the desktop icons. Right-click on the taskbar and click on the taskbar settings and check the option from the taskbar behavior submenu to enable automatically hide the taskbar. Now it's time to like the video, and after clicking on the subscribe button, adjust the position of the docs bar and date bar.